A clear, shallow river winds its way through a lush bamboo forest, sunlight dancing on the water's surface. A panda emerges from the dense foliage and cautiously enters the cool river. The panda wades into the river, relishing the coolness of the water. A panda floats serenely on its back in the river, almost entirely submerged. Sunlight dances on the water's surface as the panda lazily splashes and rolls, utterly at peace. The panda dips its head under the water, then shakes it dry in slow motion, sending droplets scattering.